Is it okay to be scared at immigration? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. These are scary times right now. When it comes to immigration, we have a tyrant in the White House, and he has made making lives of immigrants difficult. He's made them much more difficult than they need to be. He is antagonistic to immigrants. He attacks immigrants regularly. Even when he was campaigning for office, he used immigrants as a scapegoat, despite the fact that there are many, many immigrants working at all of his properties and his companies. But putting that to the side, he has brought in smart people to work for USCIS. They're smart and ill-intentioned people. They're not people of good faith. And the people who are making the decisions at immigration are trying to make it as antagonistic towards immigrants as possible. So any which way they can make life harder for immigrants, they have done so. So it is entirely natural and correct to be worried and scared about your immigration case. Now, that doesn't mean that you crawl up in a ball and don't do anything. It just means that it's something you have to acknowledge. And it's okay to be scared. Now, you might think this is easy for me to talk about because I am a white guy living 10 miles from where he grew up. I never had to emigrate to another country. But I have traveled abroad a little bit, and I've been in situations overseas dealing with law enforcement, and I have been scared during those interactions. I understand the fear. Now, it's not on the same level, and I wasn't worried about getting kicked out of my new home country because my home country is the United States and I'm still here. But I know on a gut level what that immediate fear is during that time when you're dealing with a law enforcement official, a government official who has power over you. And so, my clients put a lot of energy and effort into their cases. And when the interview starts getting closer and closer, I'm sure many of them get nervous and get a little scared, and that's okay. But you have to steel yourself. You have to strengthen yourself. You have to put yourself in the best position possible. And you want to make sure that you go in there with all guns blazing, that you have every piece of evidence, every form filled out correctly, that you're doing everything you can to get your case approved. Because if you do those things, then you're going to go in there much more confidently. Instead of going in there, oh, please help me, oh, enlightened sir, please help me. You're going to go in there like this, with your back stiff and your head held high. And you're going to go in there and you're going to demand the immigration benefit that you deserve. You're going to do it in a nice way, but you're going to be forceful. There's nothing wrong with being scared, but you don't want to just cower and hide. You want to be confident. You want to tell them that you know why you're there. You want them to know that you know why you're there. And you want them to know that if they don't approve your case, that you're going to fight. And so don't give in to the temptation of being scared. Don't give in to the temptation of, begging for help. Go in there confidently. Do what you need to do ahead of time. If you're studying for your test, study real hard. If you're going over your forms, make sure they're accurate. If you're getting ready for the interview itself, think about the questions, review our other videos, see how you can make your case stronger. So my call to you, my goal for you, my hope for you is that with these videos that we've been shooting for these many years now, and then with all the other resources that are out there, that you can go into your interview as confidently and as strongly as possible so that there can be no doubt that you're entitled to the immigration benefit that you are entitled to, and that you've put yourself in the best position possible. We're not God. We can't control what happens to us. We can't control that we win our case or not. But we can certainly do everything in our power, everything on our end, to put ourselves in the best chance of success. And then we just have to let the chips fall where they may. We may have to appeal. Something bad might happen. All those things are possible, but it's all about your mindset and all about your approach. So go in there to confidently and kick some butt. I'm proud of you, and you can do it. Thanks a lot. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to share it out on social. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any videos you'd like for us to shoot, be sure to send us an email at info@hackinglawpractice.com. You can always reach us there, or you can call us at 314-961-8200. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.